in response to the incoming Trump administration's threats of mass deportations, I want to take a moment to affirm that California's immigrant community has my support and continues to have the support of my office. We've all heard President-elect Trump's calls for mass deportations. He's been loud and clear about that. That he's going to use the military, he says, to execute his plans, the National Guard. It's inhumane, it's illogical, it's fiscally irresponsible. Let me be clear, President-elect Trump's immigration agenda is draconian and his rhetoric xenophobic. In California, we believe our public resources, like libraries, hospitals, courthouses, and schools, should be available for all without fear of civil immigration enforcement. And it's against what this state and, frankly, what the country stands for. The reality is immigrants are the backbone of our nation. Immigrants make America great. I say that as someone who, like so many Californians, was born in a different country, who watched my own immigrant mother go through the naturalization process, become a citizen after she and my father brought our family to the U.S. when I was just 2 months old to avoid the rise of martial law and a dictatorship in the Philippines. But I also say this armed with facts. Look no further than the fact that lower levels of immigration have led to a slowdown in the economy and to rising inflation. It's been estimated that immigrants will add an astonishing $7 trillion to the U.S. economy over the next 10 years. I don't want to speak for Mr. Homan. He speaks very well for himself. And, of course, there's been expressions throughout the nation, including from Mayor Mike Johnston, proud to say a personal friend, about their commitment to their values. But the law must be followed. And that's what we're here to talk about, what the law requires in the state of California. The federal government absolutely has significant authority in the immigration enforcement space. What SB 54 is about is saying that's your role and your job and you can do it. The counties and the state, our people, our local resources, our money will not be used for that. As the 10th Amendment fully authorizes us to take that position, including when it comes to celebrating our state's beautiful diversity. You can be sure that as California Attorney General, if Trump attacks the rights of our immigrants, I will be there. If you believe a state or local law enforcement agency, a public institution, or its staff are assisting with immigration enforcement in violation of California law, please report it to my office,